everyone, Venesia Hurtubise, technical chemist, here from the MicroCare Critical Cleaning Lab. This case study began with a cleaning trial request from a potential MicroCare customer.
A manufacturing company needed to remove a variety of synthetic greases from gears and bearings. The metal parts were originally cleaned by hand, soaking and scrubbing in flammable hydrocarbon solvents for several hours. They upgraded their cleaning with a Branson vapor degreaser and a popular specialty degreasing fluid to implement more automated cleaning. But engineers quickly found that although the degreasing fluid removed the petroleum components of the synthetic greases, it left a thick, heavy, white residue behind. The Critical Cleaning Lab at MicroCare was called into action to conduct a cleaning evaluation and run cleaning trials to find a solution. Based on extensive testing, our MicroCare chemists went to work developing a custom blended cleaner to fully remove this new generation of synthetic greases. These greases are very challenging to clean due to their corrosion inhibitors and metallic salts with organic and inorganic compounds. The newly developed cleaning fluid, known as MicroCare Synthetic Grease Cleaner, broke the grease down into its unique parts. The solvating agent cut through the organic compounds, while the other ingredients lifted away the inorganics and salts. The MicroCare Synthetic Grease Cleaner not only solubilized all of the grease, but left minimal white residue behind, meeting our customers' cleanliness specifications. This customer switched out the old solvent in their vapor degreasing system to the new MicroCare Synthetic Grease Cleaner. The cleaning results are superior without any detrimental impact to the part materials. The new cleaning fluid also limits any residues that might impact further coating or finishing. The original manual cleaning method and cleaning fluid required several steps and a total of 2 days of cleaning and drying. The new automated cleaning process using the Branson vapor degreaser with MicroCare Synthetic Grease Cleaner requires only about 30 minutes. Other process improvements include less worker hours required for cleaning, faster throughput of parts, less waste as the synthetic grease cleaner is self-cleaning inside of the vapor degreaser, no drying process required, and no wastewater generation or wastewater treatment needed. The customer is getting consistently superior cleaning results over their old manual cleaning method. By matching the chemistry of the cleaning fluid to the part substrate and the unique greases to be removed, the MicroCare Critical Cleaning Lab found a customized yet simple and fast cleaning solution for our customer. Through further research, we developed an improved formula. The new synthetic grease cleaner not only works well on synthetic greases, but now also cleans other tenacious soils like certain buffing compounds, no-clean and hybrid fluxes, and some synthetic coatings. This versatile cleaner will clean everything the old one did and more.
Thanks for watching. If you need help with a difficult cleaning problem, contact MicroCare today. Our team of experts can audit your parts materials, unique contaminant, your cleaning processes, and cleaning fluids to find a solution that is the perfect fit for you.